Hey everybody, welcome back to another dark episode of The Wealth Around Us. And it's not so dark because the fireplace is officially complete. And isn't it something? The apple trees looking good. Cool poker. All the tools and everything. The swing-away grill, the chains to suspend the spit. There's the rotisserie on the adjustable hanging chains. We've cooked dinner out here past few nights, and just the food this thing cranks out is outstanding. Well, so long everybody. That was just a quick one, and we'll be back probably after the whole quarantine. So stay safe, and always remember there's wealth around you.